Hello guys, it's me Synopsis. So I recently changed to Taekwon from Shura or Inquisitor. So this is my recent build. Yeah, Synopsis. I'm in Aegis build and I'm currently in Sub-Season. So let's review my character. Okay, first of all, let's look at my PvE build. So first, let's head to our training ground at Pantera. Okay, so let's look into my build first. Let me change my pet. I'm using Wolf. Okay, this is my companion. Alright, first of all, let's look at my weapon. So currently I'm at Refined Awakening Tier 5. This is my refinement. So currently I'm using this what we call Fireball books. I haven't got my fire book yet. Tom of Mastery, is it the name? So currently we will test using Race Enhancement. I have 2 line Diamond and 1 Shadow. So this is F2P card, free to play card. Everybody can have it. Blue card. I'm using 5 Ice Titan card on my armor. So I have uh, 5 V enhancement because I really enjoy PvP content. So I need to have a high HP. If you are mainly focus on PvE, please you can try to minimize it to only 3 line V. So it should be good for you. And others line you should focus on SDR. Alright, this is my card, HP card, and a lot of demon. Bonus damage to undead and demon because I love to hunt demon. Demon shadow, demon undead. Okay, 1V, 2 STR, and then on my shoes, 3V. So I lose a lot of DPS here, but for PvP content purpose, I have to do it. No choice. So basically, for pen build character, we need to have 9 line Abeta pen standard. Go back to the card. Yeah, I'm using two Banshee on my first accessory, on my second accessory, which is F2P card, large 35%, and yeah, same on the talisman. So nothing special. Let's look at my headgear. I use Fury Limit card, Fire Enhance, Fire. I got 3 RAM, and that's it. So what else? Let's look at my BA. Okay, this is my BA. I have 6 silver battle achievement. So STR, final physical defense, final damage reduce, fit, P-pen raw, P-pen final P-pen percentage. And then let's look at my shadow equipment. So first of all, we will try to test my DPS by using Rising Kick. And the second test, we will use this what we call blind SE. So the two have a different DPS results. Obviously, the blind SE have better damage output. However, we have limited visions. So depends. If you want to manual control it, yes, you can control your character whenever the MVP or mini moving around. If not, please just use Rising Kit. The end result of the damage output are not so much different gap. For me, for Rising Kit, around 800 billion DPS, and for the blind SE is around 900 billion. So plus minus only 100 billion difference. So the second one I use is kit. Although it have final damage bonus on PvP actually, but the damage increase works better compared to others. I did not use World 1K and others because of the low damage output and also the animation skill are long, so I did not use it. Okay, the third one, I did not use any of the three skills, so this is the best as we can stack up our energy better by using this SA. I'm using this as I focus more on fire enhancement, and this is the best for PvE. I have test moon setup, it's not good. I have lower damage output, so this is the best if you are with a party member. And last is our fourth chop SE update. This is the best, however, the increment are still not a lot. Maybe I need to maximize it. I still do not have the resource yet, so let's try. So first of all, you can also not use fire scroll. I have its force element fire if you're using sun, but just for good. Yes, to make sure we are using fire element, I just click on my fire element, which is I bought a lot from a previous job, which is Shura. So let's test melody with the rising key SE without the blind SE first. So we are testing on 140 level MVP. We off master AI and on invulnerable. So that's it. Taekwondo is so simple. We have a very easy control, and also the DPS are very are not like Shura, which is so RNG. For Taekwondo, every task is almost identical. Okay, let's auto. Ready to press my company skill. Let's see how much for 1 minute test. Okay, that's it. It's around 890. So let's hit the training ground. And I would like to test on the blind SE. Okay. Change to the blind SE. So for level 4, my final damage bonus will be increased around 18%. So let's try. Okay, just auto. Okay, so now we get 930 billion tests. Okay, let's see. So let's have a look on my skill setup. Yeah. First of all, I need to remove this my AC. It's so annoying. Okay, this is my skill setup. If you want to copy, you might copy. Please pause and follow. Yeah, watch out. Okay, this is the important part. Please choose this skill wisely. Mainly focus on rising kick. This path is the best damage output with the fastest skill animation. So this is the passive that we needed. This is important unit of the star. I even use anger of the star so that I can spam ultimate more. Okay, I'm using fire. Sorry, I'm using sun. That's it, basic. This is important. We need to have high jump, storm kick, and this is our best DPS skill ever, super ultimate storm kick. This is very important. So if possible, we need to spam this skill as much as we can. Yeah. Yeah, our fourth job skill also important. We can take the left path and also the right path. On the middle one is for moon, which is I using it for PvP content. So basically, this is my skill setup for PvE. For PvP content, we'll see you in the next video. Thank you guys. Let's bring out our sign. Yeah. See ya.